Welcome to today's fragrance spotlight. We are diving into the captivating world of Jean Paul Gaultier limited edition scent Le Beau Paradise Garden. This fragrance, guys, is a fresh and exotic interpretation that perfectly embodies the spirit of celebration and warmth, making it an ideal choice for the festive season, especially Christmas and New Year's Eve. Le Paradise Garden features green notes with coconut, sweet, aquatic, vanilla, and etc. It's a day fragrance, and here we have the top notes, the middle notes, and base notes. But what I most feel when I'm using it is the green notes, the coconut, the fig, and the fava tonka. These are the notes that I most feel when I'm using it. And if you are living in a hot country for the Christmas, for sure this is a fragrance for you. Especially if you're planning to have your vacation in beach or in some place that is a little bit hot, this is a fragrance that goes very well with hot days. And look at the bottle, how beautiful it is. It's handsome, it's luxurious, and give us an idea of an emerald jewel. Look how beautiful it is, and there's this leaves tapping the sexual parts of the man, reminding us about Adam in the paradise, so that's why it's called Paradise Garden. I can say that Paradise Garden is a fragrance that beautifully captures the essence of a lush tropical escapes with blending and vibrant notes that evoke feelings of warmth and Christmas and New Year's Eve. Whether you're looking for a signature scent or a special occasion fragrance, Le Beau Paradise Garden offers a unique olfactory experience. So if you enjoyed this review, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye.